今日开始来关心高中本这个过身了后，谁人要来接高中？上新的消息是，罗马天主教高中的选举第一轮投票已经结束啊，不过并无结果。西斯廷教堂的演堂是庆祝乌恩，显示新的高中也未选出来，但若有选出来，演堂就会庆白恩。
几落班的信徒伫咧圣彼得空场，注意看西斯廷教堂的演堂。高中选举第一轮青菜是乌恩。
After a surprisingly long wait, we finally had black smoke coming from the chimney above the Sistine Chapel after 9 o'clock at night this evening in Rome. That means that no new pope has been elected. After the first round, apparently there was no one person who got the 89 votes needed to become pope.
大家要有耐心，这边自秘密会议开始，3点外钟了才看到演。比2013年高中选举加1点钟。
Speravamo nella fumata bianca, però insomma aspetteremo domani probabilmente.
I've never seen St. Peter so crowded. Now we can all go to bed, have a good night rest, and come back tomorrow.
高中选举第一天只会伫咧尾暗进行一轮投票，第二天开始会伫咧早起下昼分别进行2遍投票，一天上最4遍。有一寡司机主教伫咧投票前讲，希望初8或者是初9进前会当选出新高中，来代表教会伫咧拄到意见无同时阵，也是让保持团结。这边选高中是要对年纪无到80岁133位司机主教内面选出来，当选人就要摕到2/3的票数。根据往例，第一轮就选出高中的机会无大，不过这几年来大部分的选举过程拢未拖伤久。公司新闻吴文玲编辑。